Today, everyone, I am showing you guys how to make a strawberry cake, but I'm going to give you guys a few tips and a few hacks. When it comes to the eggs, you're going to use 1 egg or 2 extra eggs. When it comes to the water, you add milk instead of water, and I added butter instead of oil, and I add a little bit of sour cream. Some people add yogurt, mayo, all kinds of other stuff. And I add a little bit of vanilla JELLO. I couldn't find what I normally get, so I had to get with that. And you can use a stand mixer, or you can use a hand mixer, or you can use it like this. I'm going to use a mixer like this. I have a stand mixer, but I don't have the proper beater. And you can use regular milk, you can use evaporated milk. And you can also always add some extract to it. Now I like to make my cakes with flour, but I'm just showing you guys a way you can make your I'm showing you guys a way that you can make your cakes taste better at home. Actually, it's gonna taste just like the bakery. Because honestly, you guys, I spoke with a few people who worked in a bakery, and they've told me that a lot of them use box cake, and what they do is they hack it up. And my mother and my sister used to work at a bakery, and they both told me that they would ship the cakes into them, so they're not really sure how it works. So and what I'm gonna do, you guys, I'm gonna mix this for 2 minutes. I'm gonna mix this on medium. That's my timer for my 2 minutes, y'all.